Such a special moment for our brand, Converse, but such an organic and natural moment for our brand. We have been adopted by the LGBTQAI plus community on their own, and to know that we have served a role in these youth's lives and have helped transform these lives is amazing. And to now be able to give back to this community and to show them represented in their most authentic self is really moving for us, and particularly Richie Shazam. I'm a woman of South Asian descent, and to see someone from the Guyanese, she's half Guyanese, half Indian community come out and that intersectionality and to tell her story.
Yeah, just before we start, I would love to thank Converse and Tribeca for all of their support and giving us all of the tools needed to create this piece.
I remember walking down the street and everyone staring at me, but I didn't feel fearful because I knew that my sisters were right there, holding my hand. Anyone that came for me would have to get through them first.
You don't have to be part of the community to be able to connect to that story. The feeling of being an outsider, trying to find your way in, being a shapeshifter just so that you can be accepted and connected with the rest of the world. And so we thought it was a really powerful story for our brand to tell at the right moment in New York City at the film festival during the month of Pride. And what's beautiful about entertainment and film is we've talked a lot about how creative expression, storytelling, and representation matters. And when you bring it to life on a big screen, I think the impact is tenfold. It is a natural human reaction to feel the emotion and to feel the connection. And yeah, we knew we needed to be here and to tell her story. And she struggled. And our brand has always been the brand that has been open-ended, accessible, inclusive. And people have always found something, we believe, of themselves in our brand, and we've just been here to accept. We've not been the brand that's outwardly pushing our message. We've just kind of opened our arms and put our arms around the community, and this is just one of many communities that are important to us and that we really wanted to elevate and give them its due moment.